Hello, good evening. I'm Miss Nikki.
And I'm Miss Alicia.
And we're here for another STEM/STEAM program this month. So thanks for joining us. So we're doing something fun this month.
I am really excited about this one. I can't wait to see what everyone makes. And this is such a fun project.
Yeah. I've never done anything like this before, but I think Miss Alicia has.
We did. It's been quite a few years, but we did a tween night where we made these and then we raced them. So that would be a fun thing to do with these too. But what are we making?
Yeah, so what's the big mystery, right? We are making ScooterBots. If you have the February School Age grab and go bag, everything that you need is in there. And eventually it will look something like this little guy. Now look at that. That looks like almost a toothbrush, doesn't it, where you brush your teeth? Guess what? I think it is, but it's clean and not used.
It's a brand new toothbrush head.
All right, so let's get making them.
All right.
Now it's time to make one of these little ScooterBots for yourself. How do we do it? Well, let's start by unpacking our bag. All right, and inside are the directions that were provided to us by the company where we bought these kits at. So let's make sure that we have everything we need. We have tape that is not included in this main kit part. We've got our eyes. I lost one, there we go. We have our toothbrush head, an adorable little tiny motor with wires coming off of it, a battery, and it says this is called a button battery. We have 2 pieces of double-sided tape, and 2 little pipe cleaners, and then of course again the tape. So we have everything that we need to make this sweet ScooterBot. All right, so let's begin. So we're going to take the toothbrush head and we are going to adhere the double-sided tape, and from this the motor will stick and also the battery. So we're going to take one side off and then we're going to put it on the back. I might break these up because I might need that one in different locations. So this one I'm going to put near the end of it, and this is where the motor is going to be. Once that's stuck, then you're going to remove the top of that. And it's very sticky, so it kind of, if you can't, want to get it right the first time. So now to put this on, we want the wires to be facing forward towards the head of the brush, and this little like half circle part on there that spins at the back. All right, so we're going to do this. We're going to make sure that the wires aren't touching that because otherwise they might be stuck. So I'm going to just kind of put those in the air for a minute. So we've got that on. And now it's time to adhere the battery. So this is a very important part that I messed up on when I was experimenting. So I'm going to try to get it right this time. Let's take the battery out. I'll probably place this piece of tape. Now we want it where the wires are going to be able to reach the battery. So put this one here. That looks like. And there are some of your kits might have a longer brush head. So just keep that in mind that the wires are able to reach the battery and all that good stuff. All right, so I'm going to take the back side of that off. Okay, and then according to the directions, which I'm going to follow this time, we are going to put a piece of tape on the exposed end of the directions say black wire, but so far I've only seen like the blue wire. And we're going to put that on the negative side. Now this is the negative side. Do you see how it has that like little pattern?
It's like a little grid
Yeah.
pattern.
Yeah. So that's the negative side. So the blue/black wire is
dark,
going to be
the not
connected.
red wire.
Yeah, exactly. The not red wire is going to be on the back side of that. I think we just need a little tape. So I'll grab a little piece. All right. So let's see if I can do this. So, and you might need a second pair of hands. So I'm going to tape on the negative side the dark colored wire. All right, so it's nice and snug there.
Okay.
And if you want, you could trim around the battery. All right, and then we're going to stick it to the sticky pad on there. So that looks like that is good. All right, after that, we need our stabilizers, and that is these little pipe cleaners. So they're going to work as the stabilizer or the legs, because if we try to just stand this up, it falls, and we don't want that. All right, so we are going to put the stabilizers between the motor and the battery. And if you do need to use that tape that we provided, go ahead and do that. But it might stick to the sticky pads on there. I think mine is sticking there. All right, and I'm gonna kind of make sure that it helps stabilize it. Yeah, it looks like it does. So
Perfect.
There we go. Kind of reminds me of like a little spider.
Yeah.
You know, it's short a few legs though. All right, after that, it is time to put on our googly eyes. So you're gonna take the back of the googly eyes off. There's like a sticker piece, and then you're gonna add them. You can add them wherever you want. I'm going to put mine near the front. All right, he's coming along. He or she looks so cute. Right? All right, guys,
She's a little shrimp.
Yes, we have one more step, and we're gonna cross our fingers and hope it works. So we're gonna need some more tape, and you're gonna want to keep this tape around because to shut your ScooterBot off, you remove the tape and the wire. So first, before I tape it, I'm gonna make sure it's gonna work. So to work, the red wire is going to touch the positive side, and then it should vibrate. Let's see if that happens. Oh, it kind of does.
I can hear it.
Yeah, it isn't doing it. There we go. Okay.
It
works,
eyes
yes.
moving.
So now that I know that it works, I'm going to tape it down, and then we'll see what it does. For some reason, I'm thinking maybe the negative wire on the bottom maybe doesn't have good contact or something, because you kind of have to hold it in for it to work. Yeah, let me try that. There we go. Look at it. It's dancing around.
Oh my
Awesome.
gosh. It's so cute.
Yeah, and if you have someone at home that got one of these kits too, you guys could have a competition like Miss Alicia was talking about earlier.
You could rate.
Yeah.
You
So
can
that's
mess
pretty
with
cool,
this.
isn't it?
You can mess with the stabilizers to see if like you can
Yeah.
get it to go in one direction.
Yeah, you can experiment and make different things. Very cool. And so to like turn it off, you would just remove the tape with the positive wire. And then you could just take that off and then keep your tape roll around for when you want to do it again. So Miss Alicia, how do these ScooterBots work? Like what's the science behind it?
Well, I have this fantastic article here from Scientific American that's going to explain it to us.
Awesome.
And it says that BristleBots are an easy-to-build version of a type of robot that is more generally called vibrabots because, as we can see, it vibrates. They are powered by vibrating motion. Have you ever noticed how a cell phone in vibrate mode will move slightly if it rings while sitting on a tabletop, or how you can feel a video game controller rumble in your hands? That happens because these electronic devices have tiny motors inside them with spinning weights, which is that little thing
On the back, right?
on
it
the
does
back.
spin.
Yes. When these weights spin very rapidly, which we just saw, that causes the whole device to vibrate. You can put one of these motors along with a small battery on a toothbrush to make a miniature robot, which is what we just did.
Cool.
Very
Yay.
cool.
Well, we of course want to see your finished product, and if you want to put the videos of it or any competitions you have with your friends, please show us. We definitely want to see that. So thanks for joining us this evening. We hope that you have fun making your cool ScooterBots.
Yeah, and make sure you check our Facebook page, check our website to see what fun thing we have planned for you next month. And we are going to go race our robots now.
Yes.
So we'll see
Let's
you
go do
later.
it. Bye.
Bye.